because it's on the trailer and it's coming home.
There's the extra window.
Oh, we got the window on the side of the block.
Blow all that stuff out of there.
Unbelievable. You got to make it happen, you know. I am just unbelievably stoked. All right, we're here deep up in Washington, backed up to the truck.
I ended up with this one, so I've drug it around 3 different places now, right?
So you had it for how long?
20 years.
Nice.
So
here it is.
Having 2 in it right now with the rod through the side of the block. So this is it. Half ton, 1966.
Excellent.
I moved up the hinges a little bit on the hood too. To try to
Look at it.
There we go. To go on another motor to put it together. I even got a gauge. I don't know. I don't gauge.
There's the extra window.
Oh, we got the window on the side of the block.
There it is, right? You can't see it there. Look at that rod through the side
Yep,
of the block.
I see a piston down inside there.
So that's what put this thing to rest.
Wow, look at this. The first giveaway truck right here. Number 001.
Oh, wow. So I was just going to hone it, ring it, new bearings, and paint it, put it back together. That'd be a great motor. So
That's my rebuilding seals too.
So here's the motor right here. There's another bumper. It's bumped up here. So that's off the 62, I think.
And the 4-barrel.
Or no, the 63. There's a 4-barrel intake. There's 2 sets of FE heads. Huge valves in those things. They were good. Those 390s, 352, 360, 390. Good motors.
They like great
Thunderbird motors. So those are all Ford truck rims. So with tires. I just switched this thing over. I pumped up the one that was going flat as fast as I pumped it up, so I switched over to another one. Now all 4 of them are holding air, so. Nice.
We're gonna section the frame and short bed it, put the short glass on it.
Oh, cool. That'll be neat. But I got 3/4 ton running gear over my other place because I had that 63 with the 3/4 ton. And so I got the big Dana rear end and then the straight axle before they went. Yes. Okay.
This is a pretty exciting day, to say the least. I've been dreaming about doing this for years now, and here's my opportunity to get a vehicle for literally $300. And here we got the truck I almost sold so many times, and it's out here doing work. I love this old truck. Got it all strapped down. Thank you, dude.
You bet you, man.
Yeah, buddy, we're on to our first build.
Sweet.
It's on right now.
All right.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Doug.
Yep. You guys take it easy.
Yep.
I want to see some videos on this.
Hey, I got your number. I'll definitely be sending you updates.
And you own a shirt.
Yes, that's right. I forgot my t-shirts.
Oh, yeah.
I was like, hey, what size are you? I'll send you a t-shirt, and I forgot. I was in a hurry.
Yeah, I wasn't, you know.
No worries, dude. I got you.
I was hoping, oh, that's cool. He's got a t-shirt. And it's like, oh, okay, you know.
No, I got you, dude. I
Sweet.
ship all the time. I got you
appreciate
handled.
That. Thank you very much.
I'll send you the new Ford t-shirts when they're done.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah.
I can't wait to blow the moss out.
Right?
Yeah.
And what else do you think is going to come out of that?
All sorts of good stuff.
Dude, look at that.
The pine needles. Oh, the exhaust?
Yeah.
Moss in the
Come out-
exhaust.
Moss. Oh yeah, you fire that up.